Kenny and Lumi Athena wake up? It's time to go mall.
Okay, fine, Washington.
Me going to make lunch for JK, Lumi, Athena, and Kenny because they like mall.
Come on, hurry up.
I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Yay, we got toys, we got food, we got clothes.
Wow, it's Alice and Goofy our Chuck.
I'm gonna turn you into plushie because it's cute.
Washington, I'm a plush.
Okay, here's another sense. Let's do something interesting.
Good idea, Alice.
School bell ring, let's go class.
Who wants to solve this problem?
The metal is weak and hard.
Well done, Alice. When they are at home...
Alice and Gorm, I'm happy because you both completed math exams.
Now my voice is Jordan Sarah with
crying tears, crying tears, crying tears.